When you're using your mouse, right-clicking makes it easier and faster to do certain tasks on your computer. First off, what is the right click? As you know, the left button of the mouse is the primary action button. When selecting an item, clicking a link, clicking and dragging an item, etc., the left button is always the button you use. But the right mouse button is used to access special menus. Each type of component on your computer will have a slightly different menu of options when right-clicking. One use of the right click is when you're working with files. For example, instead of navigating to the File Manager home menu to delete a file, you can right-click on the file and scroll down to the Delete option. It's useful to check the menu for items you're working with. There are often a lot of helpful actions you can access by right-clicking on something. When you right-click on a file, for instance, besides having the option to delete it, you can also copy it, open it, rename it, move it, etc. We can also view the properties of a file and learn much more about it. Hover over the file, then right-click and select Properties. Here we are given information about the file, its current location, what kind of file it is, the size of the file, when it was created, when it was last modified. This type of information may be helpful for you sometime in the future, and now you know exactly how to find it. You can also right-click inside of a folder to access a different menu of options. For example, here you can create a new file or folder inside of the folder you're already in. You can also view the properties of the folder and customize the way files are viewed in the folder. Keep the right-click option in mind when you're working within Windows 10 and see what options you have access to. They could help you work more efficiently.